All right, man. Another light slide. Wait. Another light slide video, man. Y'all see we got the RT thing, man. We did just get the stripes done on here. Matte black stripes front to back. If you don't know, y'all done at Hammer Graphics. Watch my last video. Got all the information about the shop in the description. Front to back, bumper to bumper, matte black stripes with the little gray outline. So, like I was telling him the other day, I was like, bruh, you should buy my stocks off me because they pretty much just sitting in my garage and I'm running out of room because I got a lot of stuff in there. But he already got a black car. He got these dark gray, pretty much black, metallic gray gloss rims on there. But he got matte stripes. So I was like, bruh, cop the stocks off me. Y'all let me know which one y'all think look better. I did just post this on Instagram. But if you're not following Instagram, you'll know what I'm talking about. But these are like black, but they basically like gray, like a gunmetal gray. So it looks like the same color as these stripes. So I'm thinking these definitely look way better. So we're probably about to get these put on today. But before we go do that, man, y'all know, man, I was just selling a couple shoes the other day. About to go sell these, man. Hey, man, I've been offering some shoes, man, lately. Sell these on StockX. Because I'm telling you, just like I buy shoes, I've been buying car parts this month. I still got packs coming in the mail. Big packs coming in, big mods, man. If you don't know, I'm about to be in California on Sunday. Got a meet going on with my boy Fast Like Russ. Here go the headers. We're getting the headers put in Monday, the day after the meet. So if you're in California, if you ever want to see the sky, you follow my car Instagram, pull up to the meet. All the information for the meet is on my car Instagram. So make sure you're following that. Bam, I'm at Scat Pack Mall, man. Stay tuned, man. I don't know what's gonna happen next in the video. We'll probably get these wheels put on here. We'll see, and I'll show y'all the final outcome, man.
Really, they don't mind. We die in these streets or sit in prison a long time. Even with a little wisdom and strong mind, they don't push me
Let's get these joints swapped out. I'll see what's going on, man. It's dark, but good eats, boy. Taco truck. Getting the wheels on, man. I'll see, man. Anyways, the next day, got the rims put on yesterday. It got dark, so I couldn't give y'all a full walk around. You see some little clips throughout the video, but he is about to pull up, and I'm gonna show y'all because you know we got a little light out. I'm gonna show you what the car looked like. Now, I did do a post on Instagram asking people what do they think. You know, did his rims look better or did my stocks look better? Now, if you voted for his rims, I don't know what to say about you because they definitely don't look better than the rims he got put on here. And I'm gonna show y'all. You're gonna come over here, wash the car up, and then we'll do a walk around. Now, I did make a post on Instagram yesterday. Like I'm saying, if you're not following the Instagram, you don't know what's going on. I know some people don't got no Instagram, but if you really follow the channel, you better make Instagram and follow it because I am selling this intake right here, and it's pretty much already sold. I'm also selling this flex fuel kit. Now, this goes for like 900 plus tax. This one goes for like 480 plus tax. Like I say, I'm pretty much got this stuff sold, but I'm about to take this out. That's already out, and y'all gonna see, man. I got shit coming. Now, if I ever make a post on Instagram, like I said, I did say it's for sale. A couple people did write me. It's like, oh, why you selling it? What's next? This, that, and the third. Now, y'all see I'm doing the videos. I got the Instagram going. I'm never gonna tell you what I got coming next. You're just gonna stay tuned and watch. But definitely know I got big stuff coming. I got boxes in my house. I got boxes on the way. Mods going in. All performance right now. I'm doing all performance right now. No cosmetic right now. Pause on the cosmetic. It's all performance. So y'all gonna see, man. But like I said, I'm about to get ready to take this out. I'm actually about to put in the HELLCAT air box for now because I still got it until my next move come up. I'm about to go ahead and get this out. Like I say, this is pretty much sold by the time y'all watch this and y'all try to comment, ask how much I'm selling for. This is already sold. That's already sold. I'm just showing y'all what's next, what we got coming, man. Y'all see the wheels, man. Y'all let me know which one's better, his stocks or the new stocks on here. Man, you got the stripes with the wheels, man. Oh, yep.
Was on my grind, it was my time, I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, like pocket 96, 11 past 11.